In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a note to a vendor bill in bill.com. Whether you're managing multiple bills or just a few, adding notes can be incredibly helpful in keeping everything organized and ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Bills section. On the left-hand side of your bill.com interface, there's a navigation sidebar menu. Click on Bills, and it will open up a list of all your existing bills. Take a moment to find the specific bill you want to modify. You can do this by scanning through the list or using the search function if you have numerous entries. Once you've located the bill, click directly on the invoice number or bill number. This will open up the detailed overview page where you can view all the essential information about that particular bill. Now, direct your attention to the top right section of the interface, just above the main bill summary section. Here, you will find a button labeled Add Note, or in some cases, Add Notes. Clicking this button is your next step. It will open a text input field where you can type the message you wish to add. This is where you can jot down any pertinent information, reminders, or instructions that should be associated with the bill. Make sure your note is clear and concise, providing all necessary details to avoid any confusion later on. As you type your message, you'll also notice a visibility toggle option. This feature allows you to control who can see the note. If the note is meant for internal purposes only, you might want to limit visibility to just your team. However, if the note contains information that the vendor or other stakeholders should see, adjust the settings accordingly. This flexibility ensures that the right people have access to the information they need without cluttering others' views with unnecessary details. Once you've finished typing your note and set the appropriate visibility, you're almost done. Just remember to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your note is stored properly and can be accessed by those who need it. Look for a Save button or a similar option on the page to confirm and finalize your additions. After saving, you can rest easy knowing that your note is now part of the bill's official documentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a note to a vendor bill in bill.com. This simple yet powerful feature can greatly enhance your billing management by providing context and clarity, reducing misunderstandings, and streamlining communication. If you regularly manage vendor bills, incorporating note-taking into your routine can save you time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using bill.com efficiently.